So I want to share something with you that's been really useful for my practice. A lot of times patients come into the practice and they don't know what type of dental implant they have or what kind of abutment or connection or whatever. So something that's been really useful for me is this little burr block. I got it from Titan. It comes with 7 latch tips. I added 2 just to kind of make it more tailored to what I need it for. Let me show you the little tips that are inside. So here's the toolkit up close. Got it from Titan. And what it comes with is these 4 attachments in the back, these 3 attachments in the front. I think I swapped this one out eventually over time for a long one because I needed a long insertion tool. I actually added these 2 on the side. This is a locator insertion tool, and this is a Nobel straight multi-unit insertion tool. So the ones that the kit comes with are these over here. And you can see that it's got a bunch of different driver heads. You can see the Torx driver head right here, and these other ones. There's a variety of hex insertion tools. Sorry, hex drivers. You know, they come in like a 0.45, 0.50, 0.48. So there's a lot of different sizes, and there's a square driver. So sometimes when I'm not sure what implant system I have, or what kind of driver connection I'll be working with, I actually try a few of these on and see if any of these will do the trick. So just wanted to share that with you. It's been really useful for me.